STEEPLE analysis is a popular strategic framework that assists organisations and individuals in understanding external environmental factors and making informed decisions. In this video, we will continue our exploration of the STEEPLE framework, focusing specifically on the technological factor. The technological factor in a STEEPLE analysis examines how advances in technology impact an organisation's operations and strategic decisions. This includes considering developments such as automation, artificial intelligence, digital platforms, e-commerce, and communication tools. It helps businesses understand how technological changes can improve efficiency, create new opportunities, influence consumer expectations, and shape competitive advantage. In this section, we will explore various technological factors within the STEEPLE framework that significantly impact businesses today, highlighting both the opportunities and challenges they present. Let's start with the rate of technological innovation. Rapid technological innovation creates opportunities by enabling businesses to improve efficiency, cut costs, innovate products, and access new markets using emerging technologies like AI, blockchain, and Internet of Things. However, it also presents threats such as making existing products obsolete, demanding high research and development investment, causing workforce disruptions, and increasing exposure to cyber risks. Another technological factor is the adoption of green and sustainable technologies. This creates opportunities for businesses by reducing risks, opening new markets, and improving brand reputation through renewable energy, waste reduction innovations, and eco-friendly products. However, it also creates threats such as high upfront investment, technical challenges, regulatory hurdles, and increased competition in fast-evolving green sectors. Another factor includes research and development activity, which creates opportunities by driving innovation through public and private investments, fostering collaboration between academia and industry, and establishing innovation hotspots that accelerate technology commercialization and new product development. However, it also poses risks with high investment costs, pressures for short-term results, and potential concentration risks that limit new entrants, challenging businesses to balance long-term innovation with financial sustainability. Another factor includes cybersecurity and data protection. Adoption of cybersecurity and data protection measures creates opportunities by building customer trust, ensuring regulatory compliance, and safeguarding business continuity through investments in advanced security technologies. However, it also presents threats such as rising cyber attacks, including ransomware and AI-powered breaches, costly regulatory penalties for non-compliance, and the ongoing need for complex and expensive security infrastructure to counter evolving risks. Patents and intellectual property create opportunities by protecting innovations, enabling revenue through licensing, and facilitating technology transfer and collaboration. However, they pose threats such as costly legal disputes, the risk of IP theft or infringement, and barriers to market entry due to complex regulations and overlapping of patents owned by different entities in a particular technology area. Another factor is e-commerce and digital platforms. These create opportunities by expanding market reach, enabling direct customer engagement, and offering scalable, cost-effective business models through online retail, digital marketplaces, and mobile commerce. However, they also represent threats such as intense competition, cybersecurity vulnerabilities, platform dependency risks, and the need for continuous technological upgrades to meet evolving customer expectations. Automation and artificial intelligence create opportunities by enhancing productivity, reducing costs, and enabling advanced data-driven decision-making through machine learning and AI adoption. However, they also pose threats such as job displacement, ethical concerns, bias in AI systems, and the need for significant investment in new skills and technologies to manage AI responsibly. In short, understanding the technological factors in STEEPLE analysis enables businesses to strategically navigate innovation-driven opportunities while proactively managing the associated challenges, ensuring sustained competitiveness and resilience in an ever-evolving market landscape. If you've been following our video series, you'll know about Roast and Vibe, the fictional coffee shop owned by Sean and Marie in Dublin that we use as our practical example. Like any business owners, they want to stay informed about changes in the external environment and understand how technological factors can create both opportunities and threats. Let's explore their findings. Technological innovation can help Roast and Vibe improve customer experience by using AI-powered personalised drink recommendations and chatbots for faster ordering, automation to speed up coffee preparation and inventory management, and data analytics to optimise menu offerings and peak staffing. Risks include the cost of implementing these technologies, potential data breaches, and the need for staff training to adapt to new systems. Adapting green technologies allows Roast and Vibe to cut energy costs, reduce waste, and build loyalty with eco-conscious customers through sustainable practices and responsible sourcing. However, this comes with threats like high initial expenses, implementation challenges, regulatory hurdles, and rising competition from others adopting similar green initiatives. Strengthening cybersecurity helps Roast and Vibe protect customer data, complying with regulations, and maintain trust crucial for repeat business. However, threats include rising cyber attacks, costly breaches, and the need for ongoing investment in complex security measures. E-commerce growth allows Roast and Vibe to increase sales through mobile ordering, subscriptions, and partnerships with delivery platforms, improving convenience and market reach. Yet, it also exposes them to intense competition, platform dependency risks, and cybersecurity vulnerabilities, requiring constant technological updates. Finally, automation and AI can streamline operations by automating routine tasks such as order taking and inventory tracking, lower labour costs by optimising staff scheduling, and personalised marketing through AI-driven customer insights. However, Roast and Vibe should balance this with ethical considerations like maintaining a personal touch and protecting consumer data to keep trust high. Knowing the impact of technological factors is important to businesses like Roast and Vibe for several reasons. This information can help to drive innovation and operational efficiency. Automation and digital tools enhance Roast and Vibe's operations by speeding up service, reducing waste, and lowering labour costs per order. AI-driven forecasting and scheduling help shorten queues and optimise staffing, while mobile ordering minimises errors and reduces the workload for cashiers, leading to improved accuracy and increased output. These efficiencies enhance the customer experience and boost revenue without the need for additional staff. Next, this information can help to shape customer expectations. Roast and Vibe can use this information to personalise the customer journey with AI-driven recommendations, targeted offers, and consistent experiences across in-store and digital channels, building loyalty and growing repeat business. Next, adopting green technologies allows businesses like Roast and Vibe to cut energy costs, reduce waste, and build loyalty with eco-conscious customers through sustainable practices and responsible sourcing. This information allows businesses like Roast and Vibe to strengthen their risk and compliance posture. Tighter cybersecurity and vendor due diligence protect payment data and loyalty accounts, reducing breach risk and downtime for a high-traffic cafe. Clear processes for consent and retention of information keep digital channels compliant as personalisation and mobile apps scale. Lastly, this information helps businesses like Roast and Vibe expand their digital channels. Expanding digital channels by using order-ahead options and online marketplaces enables coffee shops like Roast and Vibe to reach a larger audience, smooth the demand peaks, and increase the average order value, all without needing to hire additional staff. This approach streamlines operations by allowing customers to place and pay for their orders in advance, which reduces wait times and reduces the workload on front-of-house employees. It also improves order accuracy by minimising errors associated with manual entry. Together, these technological factors empower businesses like Roast and Vibe to drive innovation, operational excellence, and customer satisfaction while navigating risks and competitive dynamics. By strategically leveraging technology, companies can maintain sustainable cost advantages, improve profitability, and differentiate themselves in a competitive market. That wraps up our investigation into the technological factors of STEEPLE analysis and how they can influence a business's innovation capacity, operational efficiency, customer engagement, sustainability initiatives, and competitive positioning. But this is just one piece of the puzzle. This video is part of a complete series exploring all 7 elements of the STEEPLE framework. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.